What's up, guys? This is Justin. Today we'll be doing my first YouTube video ever, and this is a bike check. This channel is gonna be based off of BMX videos, and I'll be going to parks, doing webisodes, meeting up with friends to do jumps and go to spots and stuff, and bike checks, all that good in this. So this is the first video, which is a bike check on my new Subrosa. Well, relatively new condition, but old bike, a 2012 Subrosa Tiro. So this will be that bike check. So this is the bike, and after I review it, we'll do some jumps on the jump that I built. Anyway, so this is the bike. Rant, front load stem, Rant brakes, brake pads. I believe it's either high tensile steel or anomaly frame. It's like a second generation of chronoly. Cool graphics, Shadow Conspiracy, Ravager pedals, Rant cranks, Rant rims, Rant hubs. You can't really see it, but Rant hubs. Subrosa shield sprocket, 32 tooth. Shadow Conspiracy Chulu grips, I believe. I don't know. Rant brake lever and Subrosa bars. Good Subrosa. Anyway, so that's my bike check, and now we'll be jumping the jump a little bit. For YouTube. So we're gonna jump the jump with the bike, and I'll just show you. This is I've just got into BMX a bit. I can do manuals, and I can do like a bunny hop with both tires at the same time. So I'm learning, making progress. There we go. So that's set there. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna set the camera right on this thing right here, so you can see the entire jump and all set. So the quality of this video is gonna be shit. It's screened on an iPhone, so it's probably not gonna be good. But I just hope that you guys enjoy it, because it's my first video, and if we can get a couple likes, that'd be amazing. Just shows me a little support to start making more videos, webisodes, park videos with my GoPro. So let's do a couple jumps. Gonna fix my 1080 so that we have a manual pad. Alright, thanks YouTube. Drop a like, maybe subscribe. Do what you feel, what you want to do. I get it, maybe you don't want to subscribe to this channel because it's horrible. New videos are, the content is shit and I can't talk for my life. But anyway, so I hope you enjoy. Thanks, bye-bye.